Hey y'all, it's Crystal. All right, I'm going to show you how to make a knit front back or KFB knitting increase. And I'm using a 9mm needle with number 6 super bulky yarn for this. And I'm just going to start with one stitch on my needle. So I'm going to make a slip knot here and put that on my needle. Okay. So I'm going to insert my needle under the front bar from the front to the back, and I'm going to wrap the yarn over my right needle and pull that through. Okay, so normally this is where you just knit one, you slip it off. I'll sit back up here. To knit front back, you do the same thing. Insert your needle in the front leg, knit one, but you don't slide it off. You might pull this up a little bit looser, and then we are going to come around here to the back. We're going to put our needle in through that leg, the back leg, wrap the yarn over, and pull that up through. So now I have knit the same stitch twice, once through the front leg and once through the back. Now I can slide it off, and I have increased one stitch to 2. And then knit front back again in the first leg, knit, don't take it off your left needle, insert your needle through the back leg, knit that, and now you have increased. And you can see this horizontal bar here like a purl bump. That is the indicator of the knit front back. And in that way, if you just keep going, you can keep increasing this little triangle with increases on the end. That is how you knit the front and the back.